Pretty girl. Hi, do you want your drink? Oh, here's a drink. Thank you. Can you give me a kiss? Thank you. I'm gonna go kiss Paco. Hmm? Hi, Paco girl. Hi, Paco girl. Hi, Mitzi. Where's Ruby? Where's Ruby? What's Ruby doing? Yeah. Mitzi. What a cookie.
I'm sorry, I got sidetracked there.
Hi, Mitzi.
Steven said, "Are you hungry?" I said, "I'm starved."
I'm so thirsty. I forgot my drink. That's why.
Oh, well, see, I have a Diet Mountain Dew back there, but why don't we do lunch?
Yeah, I agree.
Bye,
What do you
girls.
want?
We'll see you tomorrow.
Bye.
See you later, guys. Have a good day. You too.
Is Steve okay? Is he at the
I
hospital?
don't know. I just said,
Is he in the hospital?
"Where are you?" No.
Oh, okay.
He was supposed to go get a
Mitzi.
Oh, okay.
because it's his number to St. Joe. So we're all like.